Medical mission trips are powerful and they'll impact you in ways that you can't even imagine. I had been on a couple of these mission trips before, and I knew I was going on an interdisciplinary trip, and I was told that I was going to be the only physical therapist. Jenna was also involved with this group. It's called Christian Medical and Dental Association, and so I'd asked if she wanted to come and join me, mostly so I wasn't alone, and then we got to experience it together.
It wasn't very hard after her convincing to want to go on the trips. It truly put into perspective how blessed we are to have the services and the resources that we have, and yeah, it just really made me grateful that we're able to work every day and provide for our patients in the ways that we can.
I'm Emily Claypool. I'm a physical therapist, and I joined in on the second year with Haley. For me, I've always just felt led to serve. Grew up in a church that was always serving the community. Grew up going on mission trips locally in the state. When I became a physical therapist, I always said that I wanted to go on medical mission trips. Medical mission trips are a constant reminder of why I come to work every day.
I feel like it's so interdisciplinary there with having triage and multiple different specialties between physicians and rehab specialists and just other roles that it enhances that interdisciplinary communication. So even here at work, it impacts that by encouraging you to have that collaborative care. Instead of just staying in your bubble and your role, recognizing how your role impacts the patient as a whole and just extending that to the other disciplines as well.
I really had to learn to rely on Haley or other teammates for help, and I think it really strengthened our communication and willingness to work as a team and see how important that is. And I also just think it really helped our friendship and helped to grow that, and so we now have a much better relationship and have better communication.
You never know what you're going to encounter when you get there. One year I definitely made a heel lift out of some random foam and taped it up, and even here, coming back at the hospital, I didn't have an ankle brace for a patient, and I was just looking all around the room thinking, what do I have? And I made an ankle brace out of a blood pressure cuff and some socks. So it just increases your critical thinking skills and in the moment, what can I do? And just reminds you of why you do what you do, and you've got one session to impact these patients, so what are you gonna do, and what can you think of that can have the biggest role?
Medical mission trips are impactful for the people serving as well as the people being served. I would challenge everyone to consider going on a medical mission trip, because no matter what discipline or what role you're playing on the trip, they could find a place for you to serve, and it's truly life-changing.